Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cookies using an easy method. First, let's get organized. Gather all your ingredients like flour, sugar, butter, and eggs, along with your mixing bowls and baking sheets. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it's ready when your dough is. Don't forget to line your baking sheets with parchment paper for a smooth baking experience. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated. Gradually add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to shape and bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. This gives them space to spread. Bake them in your preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Almost there. Let your delicious cookies cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them set and prevents them from becoming soggy when stored. Once cool, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 5 days to maintain their freshness. Now you have a batch of easy, homemade cookies ready to enjoy. Feel free to experiment with different mix-ins next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.